Right, question number 5. Sophie is looking at time differences of different cities relative to London. Okay, what Sophie is looking at time differences of different cities relative to London. Destination and how many hours difference. What time is in London when it is 9 o'clock in Los Angeles? Okay. So London, Los Angeles. 9 a.m. in Los Angeles. So Los Angeles is 8 hours behind London. Okay. So if Los Angeles is 8 hours behind London, that means London is 8 hours in front. So 9 o'clock in the morning, we've got to add 8 hours onto that. Okay. So for question 5a, we're going to do 9 o'clock in the morning plus 8. Okay. Is it plus 8, yeah? Okay. A second. Go on. Okay. So let's do this now. Calculation. You've got 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. add 8 hours. 9 add 3 hours first of all will take us to 12 noon. And then we add the remaining 5 hours. And that will take us towards 5 p.m. for the moment. Because we're working 12-hour clocks. Now we can convert the answer into 24-hour clock. From 5 p.m. to 24-hour clock, we got to add how many hours? 12 hours. So that gives us an answer of 1700 hours. That's the time in the evening. Okay, part B. If Sophie departs from London at 8:50 p.m. and takes 1 hour to travel to Brussels, what time is it in Brussels when Sophie lands? So 8:50 she leaves London. It takes her 1 hour to travel to Brussels. So she should be arriving in Brussels. What time would be in London? London time would be what time? 9:50. And Brussels is 1 hour ahead. So 9:50 add another 1 hour onto it will give us an answer of 10:50. So part B will be 10:50 in terms of PM. Okay, and they want the answer in PM. Okay, that's done. For B is 10:50 PM. Okay, we happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Let's clear that. I'll read out your question. C. Convert the answer in part B into 24-hour format. So what was the answer for part B? Part B answer was 10:50. Okay, let's have a look. 10:50 PM. Right, to convert that to 24-hour clock, what do? We add another 12 hours to the PM time, yeah? So that gives you what? 22:50. 22:50 is the answer for which question? C. If you can see, the answer is 22:50. Question D, I'm going to read it to you. If the time in Boston is 4:23 a.m., when it is 9:23 a.m. in London, how many hours behind London is Boston? So let's have a look. So let's change color here. Let's have 4:23 in the morning. Okay, and that's going to be 9:23. Okay, so can anybody say straight away what the answer is? From here to here, how many hours is it? 5 hours. So the question was how many hours behind? So this here is 5 hours behind that. So if you go that way, so 9:25 minus 5 hours will give you this. So the answer for 5 part D right over here, 5 part D, it is 5 hours behind. 5 hours is the answer. Okay, part E now. 5 part E. Sophie, who's 12 years old, travels to Brussels with her mother and father. Flights cost $2.50 for adults and $1.99 for children. What is the total cost of their tickets? So how many adults do we have?
2.
How many children do we have?
1.
Okay, let's do the calculation for that. Okay. Now, so we said the adult price was $2.50. So we have how many adults? 2 of them. So 250 times by 2 will give us 500. That's the adult price. Adults. Put A there. Now, how many children are going?
1.
Just Sophie. So Sophie is going and her ticket price is 199. So 199 times by 199 is, sorry, times by 1 is 199. That's the child price. That's adults and that's child. And the question goes, what is the total cost? We've got to add them up. So we have 500 add 199. That gives us a total of
699.
And that is the answer for question 5E. It doesn't go here, it goes in 5E on the bottom. And that's the end of the question.